Hey guys, I want to talk to you for a second about the mask situation. Now, my personal view is that masks are a personal choice, just like any other piece of protective equipment. Whether you want to wear a bike helmet to bike, or gloves to shoot, or work gloves to work in your garden, it's personal choice. Matter of fact, your right to your health care and how you control your health care was decided by the baby killers when they said, your body, your choice. And anyone that wants to say that law only applies to women, no, wrong. Laws cannot be applied that way. Laws have to be neutral and absolute to all persons, or they are invalid and unjust and are thus unconstitutional. But let's talk about personal protective equipment for a second. The most consistent personal protective equipment we have been told about through our lives is the latex condom. Most of us that grew up through the early 80s to now have been told that condoms are the most effective way to protect yourself against HIV and AIDS. The numbers have been revised a little bit over the years. Originally it was 99.9%. Now the current numbers say that 90 to 95% of persons who use condoms consistently will not contract the virus. That still means that you're 10 to 20 times more likely not to get the virus if you use a condom. Hey, great. Okay? But here's the deal. A condom is non-porous. Fluid doesn't escape it. You can fill it with water and use it for a water balloon. You can blow it up and use it like a balloon. Nothing escapes a condom, okay? And it's only 90 to 95% effective at stopping a virus. Let that sink in for a second. Air doesn't escape it. Fluid doesn't escape it. 90 to 95% effective in stopping a virus. Most of these masks we're wearing, these bandana masks and cheap dust masks and stuff, you can take a can of aerosol deodorant and spray right through them. And that includes a lot of the N95 masks. So how is that going to be effective at protecting you from a virus? Just saying. Anyway, folks, critical thinking. Look at what you're being asked to do in lieu of your civil liberties. Look at the lives that are being destroyed. People worked their entire lives to build these businesses. They put their livelihoods, their homes, everything at risk for a dream. And we're talking about destroying those things for nothing. 98.5% survival rate, folks. You're being lied to. As always, folks, be decent to each other. We're all in this together. God bless.